So this is the failed part of me taking my Instagram pictures. I was trying to recreate a picture. It didn't come out right. It was not given. And I was just like, alright, we're just going to do it my way on the highway. That's exactly what I did, and I freaking love these pictures. I'm going to be showing y'all the behind the scenes of me taking these pictures, and also give y'all my Telfar collection, because that was a very highly requested video and it's finally here. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, doing.
As you can see by the title, I am going to be showing y'all the behind the scenes of me recreating Kai's picture with the Telfars. I don't know, some of y'all might know who Kai is, some of y'all probably don't. I'm probably saying his name wrong. If I pronounce his name wrong, I'll be real devastated and sad. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be recreating his photos. I just think right now is just the perfect time for me to recreate these photos, just because y'all freaking love my Telfar collection. I love my Telfar collection. This will be two parts. So like, one is gonna be the behind the scenes of me recreating these photos, and then the other part is gonna be like my Telfar collection. So y'all can skip to which part y'all want to see. But if you watch the full video without skipping, I freaking love you. I mean, not saying I don't love you if you don't do it, but I love you a little more. You know what I'm saying? If you're excited, just like me, because I'm really excited, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have your post notifications on. Do all of that good stuff. I bought majority of my Telfars down. I got another Telfar right here. I still got my Christmas stuff down here. It's only one Telfar in that box. The rest are just upstairs. I have to get my sister so she can take my pictures. Then I'm going to recreate the mirror one.
Why the hell are you making that face?
I really pray this plan execute as well as I would.
They're not postable picture.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one. I like that. I like that.
But because I'm not liking any of them
Form out yet. Alright, y'all, do y'all think these are cute to post though?
Why can't you just post it on your story?
Why the hell am I posting it on my story? I wanted to post it on my main to shout out my YouTube video.
Corey.
What the hell is that? Them flower thingies?
Mark up on this.
Okay, so y'all, we're at the park right now because I had a vision. You know how like you get a vision late night? And I thought it out and I look crazy right now. My outfit doesn't look crazy, but I look crazy. Okay. So this is a very highly requested video. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not. Alright, start off with my first ever Telfar bag. It was the regular black medium size. This was when they actually had the medium size, when the medium size did not look like a large. Because as you can see, compared to like my other bags and everything like that, if y'all do want to see like what I keep in my Telfar bags and how I style my Telfar bags, I'm gonna just do like a whole separate video for that. Just make sure you get this video to 20 likes. I think we can do 20 likes. Get this video to 20 likes and I'll do the video of what I keep in my Telfar bag, how I style my Telfar bags. I'll make it 2 separate videos, and yeah. And even if y'all don't get the video to 20 likes, I'ma still do it because I love y'all a lot. The next bag that's in my Telfar collection is this blue one. I'm definitely the type that loves color. I love styling colors. It's giving very much spring. Next bag that's a part of my Telfar collection is the silver one. You know, you can never go wrong with this. This color is so cute. And I know they have the gold one and the like the same like this, but they have it in gold and like the royal blue and everything like that. But I wasn't really like feeling them for real, so I was really feeling the silver. The silver was what popped my eye out, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the brown, the tan. You can never go wrong with a neutral color Telfar bag. The next bag that's a part of my Telfar collection is the orange Telfar bag, and it's really bright and I love bright colors. And we got the purple Telfeezy. At this point, I don't even know what to say, y'all, about my Telfars, because at the end of the day, they're all Telfars and it's just different colors, and they're just, you could just style these like so many different ways. So like I said, if y'all do want to see me, if y'all do want to see a video of me how I'm styling these, get this video to 20 likes and I definitely will do a video. The next Telfie is the red one. The red, I don't know, it's just so beautiful and bold, you know. This is the next color in my Telfar bag collection. This is the highlighter yellow. My pink Telfar bag. So cute, y'all. So cute. Y'all know anything that's pink I love, because pink is just that color. First Telfar piece pack. This was, I was just really excited because I was like, yes, I could use this for school. And I'm not a book bag girl. I'm really not. But when I wear this, I put this like, or sometimes I just hold it like this, you know. And then the next color that came out for the Telfar East pack, right? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Was this yellow one. I was like, I have to get it. So I definitely did get it because it's very reasonable to get. And I do got my water on the side here. Like I said, y'all, I be using these bags, okay? Especially these ones. And these are very reasonable to use, like especially if you're going on vacation and you need to like pack some stuff. This right here, yeah. And it's a large too. These are my large bags. The black puffer bag, that's what I call it. That's what it's called. I just love it because how can you not? But the details in here is just everything. I never took off the tags off this bag. So y'all, that's my Telfar collection. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in the next video.